Today we can discuss about the structural organization of a cell. The cell has special components called organelles. Let us see the features of the cell. First we can discuss about plasma membrane or cell membrane. Plasma membrane is the outermost covering of the cell. Plasma membrane is selective in nature. That is, it allows the entry and exit of some materials and prevent movement of some other materials. By the process of diffusion, movement of materials occur through the plasma membrane or cell membrane. We already know that the movement of substance from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called diffusion. What is diffusion? The movement of substance from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called diffusion. Diffusion plays an important role in gaseous exchange. Similarly, the water also moves from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane. That is called osmosis. What is osmosis? Movement of water from higher concentration to lower concentration through a semi-permeable membrane is called osmosis. Example, absorption of water by plant roots. Absorption of water by plant roots an example for osmosis. In case of plants, in soil, the water contents are higher than the water content in roots. So, osmosis is carried out there. The plasma membrane is flexible and is made up of organic molecules called lipids and proteins. Plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. Let's learn about endocytosis, the process of engulf food and other materials from its external environment by cell membrane is called endocytosis. Example, amoeba. Amoeba acquires food through such process, that is endocytosis. Let's summarize what we learned today. Take your notes and write this. What is plasma membrane or cell membrane? What is plasma membrane or cell membrane? It is the outermost covering of the cell. It is made up of lipids and proteins. Plasma membrane is selective in nature. What is the nature of plasma membrane? Plasma membrane is selective in nature. How the materials passes in and out of the cell? Through the diffusion. By the process of diffusion, the materials passes in and out of the cell. Today we learned that what is osmosis, diffusion and endocytosis. Then plasma membrane is made up of lipids and proteins. Then today's follow-up activities. How do substances like carbon dioxide and water move in and out of the cell? First question, how do substances like carbon dioxide and water move in and out of the cell? Second question, why is the plasma membrane called a selectively permeable membrane? Thank you.